Hey guys, are you struggling to sculpt appealing stylized female bodies? Then probably this course might be exactly what you need. I'm Marat, 3D character artist, YouTuber and streamer. I specialize in stylized female sculpting, and in this course I'm sharing my personal approach to blocking out the female body. The goal is to build a strong foundation for creating beautiful stylized characters without getting overwhelmed by complex anatomy. My method focuses on sculpting each part of the body separately, simplifying forms and breaking down tricky shapes into easy to understand steps. I truly believe this is one of the best ways for beginners and intermediate artists to learn stylized anatomy. It's all about making the process fun, clear and stress-free, no deep dives into overly technical terms or muscle charts. The course includes 22 lessons, each focused on a specific body part, head shapes, upper and lower torso, legs, arms and more. We'll also take time to analyze references so you understand how everything connects together, all in a slow-paced and relaxed format. At the end of the course I will show you how to pose your sculpt, and we'll create two final versions. One in a dynamic hero pose inspired by the iconic Chun-Li stance, and another in a soft, graceful feminine pose. You can get the full course right now on my Patreon at the Creator Boss tier for just $11.99. That also unlocks tons of exclusive sculpting content, bonus materials and early access to future courses. And if you join now, you can lock in this price for life, even if it goes up later. In case you prefer a one-time purchase, you may grab it on ArtStation, as always, for just $19.95 lifetime access, no subscription required. All the links are in the description below, so if you are ready, then let's dive in. Bye bye.